Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a get ready with me makeup look. We're going to do a really nice warm yellow and bronze smoky eye and then a bold red lip. So keep on watching if you want to see this look. We're starting off with a really dewy primer by Wet n Wild. This is so affordable, it's crazy. But it really helps your hydration on the skin. Like, my skin is so dry at the moment coming into winter. So this is super fresh and natural looking, and it smells like roses. So you actually have a very beautiful smelling face. Now we're going to be taking some foundation all over the face. This is a new foundation that I've recently been trying by YSL, and it's one of their 24-hour wear foundations, which I can definitely say it is very long wearing, which I was surprised about. And it's a really nice soft matte finish, so it feels beautiful on the skin without making you feel too dry. I use about maybe 5 pumps to get a full coverage look, so if you wanted something a bit more natural, you just wouldn't use as much. I feel like coming into the winter months, my skin is playing up so much at the moment. It's so dry, and then I'm starting to get blemishes, and I'm like, no, behave, please, leave me alone. So that is what I'm dealing with at the moment. Anyway, back to the makeup. I am just using this MAC powder, so this is just one of the eyeshadows all through my brows. So I'll leave the color down below because for the life of me I cannot remember at the moment, but I am just loving a powder brow. I feel like they look really defined but natural at the same time, which is exactly what I want. So I normally start with quite a bit of product in the center of the brow and then arch it out and do the tail so it's really nice and defined. And for the front of the brow, I just brush up the product so it looks really nice and natural. Now we need to set these brows in place because I have granddad eyebrows, so they kind of decide to go in every single direction there possibly is. So I've just used this L'Oreal brow mascara. It's just a normal brunette shade, brushed it through and set the brows. Now onto the eyes. So we're going to be using this Jaclyn Morphe palette. This is her original palette, and taking that bold yellow through the crease, just really blending it out. We want a blown out smoky eye, so lots of yellow before we put the bronze shade on. Speaking of Jaclyn Hill, I did actually see that she is bringing out a nude lipstick collection with 20 different shades, which I think is so crazy. I don't think I've ever seen any brand do that before all at once. So it's cool that she's bringing out so many different nudes, so there's one for everyone. I really want to try a couple of them actually. Back to the eyes, we are now putting that bronze shade all over the eyelid. So we're just bringing it up to where the crease starts and we're going to blend the two together. I wanted this look to be super simple and easy, but it's really eye-catching because it has that brighter yellow through the crease rather than using something super natural. This palette definitely has to be one of my normal go-tos. I just find that the eyeshadows are really creamy and easy to blend. A lot of matte eyeshadows from different brands actually catch on my eyelids no matter how much I prime them, so these are really easy to work with, which I love. And you guys can see underneath the eyes now we have added a little bit of that bronze and then blended out with the yellow so it all flows together with the eyes. Now we need to get on to setting the face so we can put some bronzer on my pale skin. So I'm just using this NYX No Filter powder. I am of course in the shade Porcelain because I'm so pasty. So just giving a quick dust all over the face. And now we're going to be taking this Mineralize Skinfinish by MAC and using it as a bronzer. That's how pale I am. I can use one of their normal face powders from MAC as a bronzer on my skin. So this is the medium dark and I am just blending that over the hairline, give me a little bit of warmth there, and then down on the cheeks. I was so sad this morning when I was going through my beauty drawers trying to find which bronzer I wanted to use for this look. I saw that one of my favorites has crushed and gone everywhere. It is literally like covered all of my cheek products. So that's what I'll be doing after this. I need to go and clean everything, which is always so annoying when you have to do that. So for the cheek look here, we have used one of the MAC blushes. This is called Springsheen. It's a really beautiful peach with a gold reflect in it. So I've just popped a little bit of that on the cheeks and then using my ultimate favorite highlighter ever. This is the Artist Couture highlighter and this is just so stunning. Like, I use this almost every day that I can, and then also in my kit, it's like my favorite highlighter to use on my clients as well. Popping on some mascara now, we need to thicken up these bad boy lashes. So this is the Bobbi Brown Eye Opening Mascara that I'm using. This and the Stila Huge Lash Mascara have to be my favourites at the moment. If you guys have any favourite mascaras, leave a comment down below and let me know, because I would love to try something new. As you guys can see, I'm just blending out a little bit of highlight in the inner corner of the eyes, and we are going to get on to my favourite lip colour at the moment. This is like heaven on earth. So this is the NYX Professional Makeup Slip Tease Lip Oil formula. Honestly, this is amazing. This has to be one of my favourite lipstick formulas I've ever tried in my life. Like, that's how good I think it is. And I really like the applicator as well. But as you guys can see, it's just adding a really nice pop to the look, so it's not as plain and boring as normal. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had a lot of fun creating something natural but fun. I'm just going to spray my face, add a bit of hydration, and we are all done. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!